We are now going to discuss electromagnetic induction, which is described by the Maxwell equation referred to as Faraday's law. Up to now, we've been dealing with static electric and magnetic fields. Now we are going to let things change with respect to time. The first thing we'll encounter is electromagnetic induction. This was a very significant discovery. It is how we generate electricity from mechanical motion. Previously, we saw that in 1820, Ørsted discovered that currents generate magnetic fields. So an electric field driving a current was generating a magnetic field. It was natural then to think that somehow with a magnetic field you could generate an electric field. Independently, in 1831, Michael Faraday in London and Joseph Henry in New York discovered electromagnetic induction. In the next two videos will be demonstrations of electromagnetic induction and essentially come up with the equation from the experimental observations that describe electromagnetic induction, and it is referred to as Faraday's law. In those videos, I use phi instead of psi to describe magnetic flux. Recall that your textbook uses psi for electric and magnetic flux, but more common is to use psi for electric flux and phi for magnetic flux. Other than those next two videos, I will continue to use psi for magnetic flux to remain consistent with your textbook.